Welcome to our tutorial about dynamic arrays. Let's say we want the user to specify the size of the array. We leave the parentheses following the variable declaration empty. Now let's define a second variable. We'll call it numName, and we'll declare it as an integer. Now we need to use one more input box. numName tab space equals space input box tab open parenthesis open double quotations. Please specify the number of names exclamation mark. Let's close our quotation marks and close the parenthesis. Now when the user enters a number, we'll store it in the variable numName. My next line here will be redim. Tab, space, myArray, tab, open parenthesis, numName, minus space 1, and close parenthesis. The redim statement, what this does is reallocate storage space for the array. And once again, we use -1 because the array is indexed with a 0 base. Okay, let's try to run our program. The first input box prompts me to specify a number of names. I'm going to enter 3. Now I'll enter my names. Name 1. OK. Name 2. OK. And name 3. OK. Now let's paste to the list box. This concludes our tutorial about dynamic arrays.